Welcome everybody to the Sleeplay YouTube channel. My name is Ozzy and I'm the respiratory therapist with Sleeplay.com. Today I'm going to be introducing the ResMed AirFit F30i. Now the ResMed AirFit F30i, I'm going to introduce it and show you how to use it. Because a lot of patients get this mask and then they put it on all types of crazy ways. I'm going to show you the right way to put it on. Before I even get started, it's not to confuse the F30i with the regular ResMed AirFit F30. The regular AirFit F30, the tubing comes out the front of the mask and it has the exhalation port on the front of the mask. With the F30i, the tubing comes in on top of the head and it has an exhalation valve on the top of the head and on the front of the mask. Now getting into the nitty gritty of the ResMed AirFit F30i, the F30i has magnets on the front. So for those of you that have pacemakers, you want to look for another alternative. The F30i is very easy to take apart. If you want to clean it, you can push out the tubing from the back, and then you can wash all the pieces individually. Even the elbow on the top comes off, so it all comes apart very easy. You can take off the headgear, wash the headgear. It's not hard to put back together. You just clip it back on. The mask, you clip on one side, you clip on the other side. Very simple. See, very, very simple. The magnets help clip on the front of the mask. The sides of the mask are nice silicone. They're very soft. It tends not to mark the face too much. But I will tell you, with any mask that you're going to be using, you're always going to have some marks on your face. So to avoid marks 100%, that's not being realistic. You wanna try to get a mask that's comfortable for you to be able to sleep throughout the night, and then you can deal with the pressure points of the mask afterwards. Now, on the back of the mask, of course, it comes right to the back of the head, just like most full faces do. When you're gonna put this mask on, a majority of people, they put it on wrong. They'll try to put it on like this. They'll try to, put it on backwards. They don't know how to put it on correctly. Best way to put it on is whatever hand you're dominant with. So I'm right-handed. I'm gonna take the right side off. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna pull this with the right side off, pull this over my head, on my face, and then get the clip and bring it to the front. When you're taking it off, you can pull the magnet off and it comes right off. It's very simple to use and it eliminates for the need of anything in the front of your face. So there's no plastic going towards your forehead. So your vision is free and clear. That a lot of patients do like that. Me specifically, I do like this mask very much. This is something that I use myself. I don't like the masks that come over my eyes or over my nose. I prefer the mask, all the nasal cradle masks that stay under. The F30i is a great mask for side sleepers. Side sleepers, what do? You tend to toss and turn from one side to the other when your arms get sore. Now, when you're tossing and turning, this mask, since the tubing inlet is on the top of the head, the tubing is up and out of the way. So every time that you turn, the tubing is not tugging on the mask and pulling it away from your face. So you'll be able to toss and turn with no problems. I tend to toss and turn a lot throughout the night and the mask stays on without an issue. Now, if you tend to do gymnastics in the bed, then that's a different story. The mask is always gonna come loose. You're always gonna have to adjust it, but that's something that you get used to with time. Especially for those of you first-time sleepers, like first-time CPAP users that you're gonna start using your mask, you're worried that the mask is gonna stay on, it's gonna come off. If you put the mask on nice and snug, the mask is gonna stay on throughout the night, no matter how much you toss and turn. I hope you like my introduction to the ResMed AirFit F30i. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them on the comments down below. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. My name is Ozzy. I'm the respiratory therapist with Sleeplay.com, and until next time, guys.